When I explore the world, what do I see? I see different animals all around me. Dogs, cats, ducks and sheep, cows, pigs, and even horses that leap. Hello little learners. Today we're going to meet some new friends. Maybe you've already seen them somewhere before. Let's see. Woof woof. Here's a dog. Baa baa. Here's a sheep. Oink 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 goes Mr. Pig. And quack quack says Mr. Duck. This one we've all definitely seen everywhere around us. It's the cow. What does our cow say? Moo moo goes the cow. That's great. You can play with these finger puppets and make up your own stories or just have fun with them. Have fun.